Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we did get a little bit of a turn right here, and this is obviously an area of resistance back here because of the top of this wave B. So it's not surprising that we have a little bit of a push down, but we do not have a break of structure. Actually, on the 4-hour, the last structure is way down here, which makes me think even more that this is just going to end up being a pullback within an uptrend, and it's going to end up making like a higher low on the 4-hour time frame and continue in the uptrend. But this is the 4-hour, so it might not continue this week because it is Friday. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, we got nice impulsive down, probably a wave A. We got what looks like a crescent, probably a wave B. I would definitely have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down, and I would be paying very close attention to these fib levels. If it makes an engulfing turn to the downside, it's either going to go down in a wave C, which would probably look something like this. Then it would probably turn at a Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up and continue the uptrend. Or if it really is not an ABC, but it's a 1, 2, 3, it would just be very impulsive and it would go down and take out this structure down here, proving that the 4-hour and daily time frame is back down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.